ए वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू.
And I'm feeling extremely honored to be a part of this massive event that is the celebration of our Bapu, our beloved Bapu.
हमारे बापू राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी की 150th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है और उसमें मुझे भी शामिल किया गया है. मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशनसीब समझती हूँ.
हमारे पूज्य बापू यानी महात्मा गांधी जी जो हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं, उनकी कंक्लूडिंग 150th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी की ये जो शाम है उसमें मुझे शरीक होने का मौका मिला.
Satyam sir, how did you get inspired to write this wonderful book?
It is my absolute joy to join you at the closing ceremony of the Inspiring India, a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi presented by the Authors Club Worldwide. The ceremony marks the end of 150th anniversary of Gandhiji. Mahatma for you is a humble tribute to the father of the nation, a leader whom I admire and adore. This is my tribute to a great leader of India.
We have with us a very, very famous actor, director, writer in both Marathi and Hindi film industry. Anant Mahadevan, also credited as Anant Narayan Mahadevan, is a screenwriter, actor and director par excellence. I welcome you today and request you to share your views on Mahatma Gandhi.
On his 150th birth anniversary, what lives on and is relevant to today's times is his humane, loving, compassionate face. And that is what we should look at on this occasion.
Our guest of honor, Dr. Professor N. Radhakrishnan, on this most auspicious ceremony, the closing ceremony of the 150th birth anniversary celebration of Bapu. I will request you if you could launch the book that has been written for the world to read on Mahatma by my dear friend Satyam Roy Chaudhary, that the Authors Club Worldwide is releasing for the world to see. It's Mahatma for you.
And I'm happy that Dr. Radhakrishnan just virtually releasing this book. Is my message that in this pandemic situation, the need of peace, and this book is for peace for the world. Thank you.
51st birthday observances of Mahatma Gandhi. He meant action, pure action, and action that will motivate us, action that will inspire us, action that will empower us. So the effort of this organization to which Dr. Roy has dedicated, I understand, his life and considerable time, has done remarkable contribution to the corpus of awareness of Gandhi. And this wonderful book, the book that has been released today, though I am yet to see what exactly, Gandhi for Everybody is a very fascinating title.
Gandhi Peace Award 2020 from the Authors Club Worldwide, and we will like that the first one of we will request Professor Radhakrishnan to come to the screen once more. Satyam Roy Chaudhary to receive it, and it is you actually virtually handing it over to him, and we will look forward that as like Gandhiji has inspired us and him and trillions others of this world to move ahead in this life, he will continue to propagate